Hi guys, we're back with part 2, and I bet you thought I wasn't coming back. But I want to tell you, this is the third time I've had to do this, because even though I'm sitting in total silence, there's somebody talking in the background, and I don't know where it's coming from. There's nothing in the house on. Told you all these 2 antique roll-top desks we bought were haunted. Nobody wants to believe me. But anyway, I didn't want to scare you guys, so I took it out, but I did save the original video. So, here I am putting cardstock on the covers. And you don't have to. You can use it the way you want it. I just do it to reinforce the pages and give some extra oomph to it. Wow, that is scary. Anyway, I'm going to forget it happened. And, woo, that is scary. Anybody want to buy a 4-bedroom house? I'm out of here bad. Okay, so these were some scraps I had. And I'm just going to try to match them up the best I can, line them up. And no, they're not the right size, but it's okay. You'll see what I do with it. And the reason for doing voiceovers is because without fail, every time I'm doing a video, my husband suddenly has 900 questions. So I'm trying to rush through this voiceover before he gets back. I sent him to the store. And yeah, I've noticed I switched to glue stick too, but that's okay. You can use any glue stick. You can use liquid glue. Use what you have. Don't worry about stressing out that I don't have this, I don't have that. Use what you have. If you want to cover it to give it extra firmness, you can use book pages. You can use magazine ads. You can use some of the tear outs you took to do your glue book with. And the only reason I do it is because I use a lot of sprays and inks and paints and stuff in my books. And I just want to give it that extra firmness and not have the magazine page tear. But if all you're going to use it for is a glue book, you don't have to put anything else in it. So I think I'm going to try to speed you up a little here so you can see the rest of it. And as you can see, I do use, leave out some of the pictures because those are the pictures that I'm probably going to paint on or that I want to design around. So I don't cover it all, but I'm using braille paper, atlases, maps, you name it, anything I have a scrap of, and I want to get rid of the scraps. They're going down here as my base page. Just use whatever you have, do whatever you want. Nobody's has to be the same. But magazines are great for teaching children to start learning to use different practices in art. Kids love to collage. By the time ours were 18 months old, they were loving to glue paper down to paper. And of course, you know, I put the glue down first for them and just give them the paper scraps, and they loved it. Kids love to tear paper. They love to tear up anything. So, you know, when winter break hits this year, and if you're babysitting the grandchildren or you have little ones at home, look around for some old magazines that you may have harvested pages from already, and just make them some glue books and let them learn how to collage or, you know, draw in them, watercolor in them, whatever they want to do. Keeps them occupied for hours, trust me. Don't ask how I know, but trust me, it works. And when I was teaching, and you know, teachers have a low budget, which is equal to no budget, I made these religiously, day after day after day, so that the kids would have them to write in and so forth. So we're coming to the end. And I'm going to save this picture. I really like this picture and can work around it. So there you go. I have a glue book.